Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be introducing you to Microsoft Excel. First of all, Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet application used to organize, analyze and visualize data through use of rows, columns and formulas. Excel has so many different buttons and menus, but don't worry, because in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use some of them. But if you still want to know more about Excel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be posting more videos about it. So let's start with how you can open up Excel on your PC. You can open up Excel by going to the Start button right here, opening up the Start menu and then typing in Excel. And there you can open it. When it opens, let's maximize this. You'll end up on the start page right here, and here you can see different templates. If there is a specific template that you need but it has not been displayed among these, then you can press here to display more templates, and then you can scroll down to find the template that meets your needs. Down here we have our recents, so in case you save anything using Excel, you can always find it here. If you want to open a new workbook, you can go to the left hand corner right here and then click to open. When it opens, you'll end up on this sheet. It's specifically called sheet 1 as indicated here, and you can see that it has many small rectangles. So these small rectangles are called shells. And on the left side you can see that we have different numbers down the screen, and these are called rows. Under the top we have different letters right here, and these are called columns. The intersection between this column L and this row 5 is called L5, and it can be seen at the top left hand corner right here, and it has also been referred to as L5. Let's start entering in some data. I'll click cell A1 and then I'll enter in header months. Right there. So to move down here, you can press the down arrow key on your keyboard, or you can press enter, and then let's type in the first month, January like that. So if you want, you can continue to fill in the months, or you can let Excel do it for you. And to do that, you can go down here at the corner of this cell. When the big plus becomes a small bold one, then you can hold and then drag downwards and then release, and Excel will autofill all the months. But for this to happen, there must be a pattern. So if there is no pattern, then you have to fill in everything by yourself. This mostly works with days, numbers and even months, as I have showed you. So let's type in our second header right here, puppies sold. Puppies, let's make it bold, puppies sold. So when I type in this, you can see that it has moved to the next column. So to make it be in one column, you can go right here, you can go here, right here, and then hold and move like that. So that is how you can do it. And if you want to move here, then you just have to press enter, and then here we can fill in the different numbers. So now I've already filled in all the numbers, but it is hard to identify these numbers at first glance, and I think it's better if we add 1000 separator. So to do that, you can go to at the top here and then highlight the column, Then after highlighting, you can go to the home ribbon here and then click on this icon. And the 1000 separator will be put, but it has been put, but we have the decimal places and we don't want them there because you cannot sell fractions of puppies. So to remove them, you can go to this icon right here and then click twice, and then the decimal places will be removed. So that is how you apply the 1000 separator. So here we can see that some of our words have been cut, some of the months, September, November and December. To fix that, we can go here and everything will be highlighted right here, and then you can click on any line between the two columns and everything will be auto fit by Excel. So I'm going to add in another header titled A right here, titled Day. Yeah, that. So in case I want to delete this, I just have to highlight it and then click. So they will bring different options. They'll bring different options. There is cut, copy, there is also delete. So in case you want to delete, then you just have to press delete and it will be deleted like that. But in case you don't want to delete, then you can hide it. Let's type that back in. If you want to hide, then you highlight a column, click, and then you can choose hide. Yeah, and if you want to unhide, it, then you just have to highlight the two columns, click, and then press unhide. And you can see that it has been brought back. It's also possible to format your table so that it looks better, and you can go to insert right here and then you can go to table right here, and then it will identify everything. Just make sure that headers is checked, and then you can press OK. Right here under table designs, there are different styles that you can choose to use. You can just pick any that you want to use. Yeah, I will choose that one. Yeah. The good thing about table designs, it enables you to be able to add a total row right here. Let's delete this right here. Delete. Yeah. So right here you can go to this drop down right here, and then you can choose what you want to total up. So let's choose some. Yeah, let's choose some. Yeah. It's also possible to know the total sales of a specific month, or maybe different months together. Now, like if you want to know the total sales for January, February and March, then you just have to highlight all of them, and when you check here at the bottom, you can see the total sum for that. You can even see the counts, which are the 3 months right here. So you can see the total right from down here. You can also do it with other months like June and July, and you can see that the total is 60. Yeah, so you can also do that. It's possible for you to tell very quickly which months have the highest number and which months have the lowest number. You can do that by highlighting this. You highlight up to here, and then up on the home ribbon, you will find conditional formatting right here, and then it will bring many options. There is highlight all rules, there is data bars, color scales, there is icon sets. So I'm going to use icon sets, and I'll choose this, and you see that on the screen it is showing the highest number with is showing the arrow pointing upwards for the highest numbers and the arrows pointing downwards for the lowest numbers, so that way you can know your highest numbers and your highest sales and the lowest sales easily. So if you want to save your work, then you can go to file right here and then save as. You can choose where you want to save it. It could be the desktop, and then you can save it as Excel. Save. So that's how you can save your work. And if you check your desktop, you can see it is right there. So thanks everyone for watching. Hope you've learned something in this video, and please don't forget to follow and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos about Excel. Thanks all for watching. Bye bye.